Welcome back, my family, and thanks for joining us. And are you ready for now? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. If your friend requests aren't going through, don't worry. Let's walk through a few simple checks to resolve the issue. First, this is the one of first steps we take to solve the problem. Check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router to refresh the connection. Next, verify whether your Facebook account has any restrictions. Sometimes, Facebook temporarily blocks users from sending friend requests if too many requests are sent in a short time, or if requests are marked as spam. Could this be the case? Open the Facebook app and tap the profile menu in the bottom right corner. At the top of the screen, tap your profile name. Next, tap the three dots beside Edit Profile and select Profile Status. If you see a green check mark, your account has no restrictions. If you see a red cross, it means your account is restricted and you won't be able to send friend requests at the moment. Now, let's review your privacy settings. Tap the Profile menu again. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap How People Can Find and Contact You. Under this option, tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Make sure it's set to Everyone, not Friends of Friends only. Updating this setting can immediately restore your ability to send requests. If the issue still isn't resolved, you can report the problem to Facebook. Tap the Profile menu, scroll down, and select Help and Support. Choose Report a Problem, then tap Continue to Report. When prompted, select Don't Include, then choose the Friend Requests option. Briefly explain the issue and tap Send. Facebook typically reviews and resolves reported issues within 24 hours. And that's it. By checking your connection, reviewing account restrictions, adjusting privacy settings, and reporting the issue if needed, you can fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you need more help.